Well, this is the Sundar Nagar garden of Malad area, and I'm just showing you the greenery around. But exactly, I wanted to tell you as how the insurance scene in India was taken to 360 degrees. See, initially in India, the insurance companies came from western side, I mean out of India. Mostly companies were private companies and they were registered outside. But slowly companies got registered in Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai. These were the four metros where most of the companies were having their headquarters. So initially there were private companies. Then in 1956 government thought of nationalization, and first of all life insurance companies were amalgamated into a single corporation which is known as Life Insurance Corporation of India. Life Insurance Corporation of India as a monolithic corporation was doing life insurance business till 1999 when IRDA Act was passed, and in the year 2000 private insurance companies were allowed to work in India. Similarly, on general insurance side, all the companies were in private sector till 1972. In the year 1971, Government of India brought a ordinance with the President's signature, and management and ownership of general insurance was taken over by this ordinance by the central government of India. Later on in 1972, Jibna Act was passed, and from 73 the operation of general insurance companies was given to General Insurance Corporation, which was parent body to four general insurance companies, that is National, New India, Oriental and United India. So till 1999, the passing of Insurance Regulatory Act in India, this worked as another corporation towards general insurance business. So both LIC for life insurance and general insurance for general insurance business through four subsidiaries, that is National, New India, Oriental and United, they worked up to 2000 till the private companies were given license to do general insurance and life insurance business. So after 2000 we see there are many companies now, around 57 companies working in life and general insurance. Of course, all four companies of GICs are still working and Life Insurance Corporation is still working. So with this, this is Mohan Vatnani giving you information on behalf of Indore Insurance Institute. Enjoy good learning with us. Thank you very much.